Hi guys, it's me Cammy Crafts on Instagram from the TPS design team, and today I have a video to share with you my Hobonichi setup using the May kit. So in the front here I just have the new pen pouch, which I love, and I love the little scallop details over here on the top, and I have some of my favorite pens and highlighters. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has this really pretty gold foil dots, and yeah, that's the new pen pouch. And I I set up my Hobonichi Weeks. This is the Hobonichi cover from TPS, and it matches the May kit perfectly, and I love this so much. I have the bow charm in front from Simply Gilded, and I'm going to share with you how I set up my Hobonichi Weeks. So I made quite a few like pockets and folders, so I'll just go through them one by one. So in the front I kept it pretty simple. I just have this little house pocket from the March kit. So in the front is this pocket which I use to store my stickers. And at the back, it's a vellum pocket with some note papers. So I just have this in the front. Okay, moving on. Excuse me. Moving on, I have the acetate, and then this little folder. So for this, I used some scrap pieces of paper, the note card, and then some of the glitter scallop edges, and then here I have the gold puffy sticker, and then some washi tape, and then I popped this die cut up on some foam tape. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, that's the foam tape. So inside is a pocket. Pocket here, and then I stuck the sticky notes on top. So this pocket just says joy, and then it has a die cut, and then I have a washi sample and some stickers. And in this pocket here I used the overlay washi tape, which I love so much. So this is what the pocket looks like, and I have the stickers from the planner kit and the washi card. Okay, so that's the first one. This second one is my favorite vellum pocket. It's a side-loading vellum pocket. So I use some glitter edges, overlay washi tape, as well as the washi tape from the kit. No, sorry, this is from the washi kit. And then I just have some stickers. So next I turn one of those laser cut pockets into, I used it in my TN, so I just have some small stickers here, and then I decorated the front flap of the pocket with some of the washi tapes. Then I stuck the long sticky notes here, and then this is a envelope style pocket. So this is what it looks like. I used a punch to punch this side, so it's really pretty and dainty, and then I use one of the glitter bow tabs, so it opens up, and it fits some stickers. So it's just plain on the side. And then this too I made using the paper bags that came in the kit, so I can have some stickers inside here. And this one I have this notes tab, but currently it's empty inside, so I'm just gonna slip it up for you to see. So what I did was I cut off the top of the paper bags, decorated them, and then put them into one laminating pouch. Laminated it, and then if you can see, I just cut off the top so that the back opens up like that. Make sure that the rest is still sealed so that you don't have them coming apart. So you can see the paper bag here. Yeah, so just snip off the top after it's laminated and you're good to go. So I put them side by side and left a little gap so that it can fold when I slip it into the TN. And remember, if you're doing this, do not put the dimensional embellishments yet before you laminate. You put this after it's laminated so that it wouldn't form the bubbles and all that. Yep, so this is the pocket. So I hope you've got some ideas of how you can set up your Hobonichi Weeks, and mainly these 3 that I shared in front, they are all like sticker storage, especially since, like, you know, there's no pockets in the Hobonichi Weeks, and these really help me to keep like my washi cards, my sticky notes, and all the extra little stickers that I want to carry along. And then at the back, I slipped in my Hobonichi Weeks into the back pocket. So I just have a Hobonichi Weeks cover. Then maybe I'll just quickly flip through. So this is my current week using the TPS Hobonichi Weeks sticker kit. Then this is a page marker using the March kit, and a pencil board using the March kit as well. And I shared this during the crop, so at the back I have used my favorite washi from the January kit 2 years ago, and I made this little like fly leaf of sorts. So I used 2 pieces of paper and I joined them using washi tape. Then I have some like sticky notes, right? And then this is a little pocket that I can put stickers in. For example, this is too big, but it just shows you that this is a pocket. So what I was intending for this little flap is for me to, like, you know, kind of like put this into another page, something like that. Yeah, so that's what I did with this, and this was using January from 2 years ago, January kit, one of my favorites. So yeah, that is my Hobonichi Week setup. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some ideas of how you can set up yours. And don't forget to share your pictures and setups on the TPS Facebook group. I can't wait to see all your creations. Okay, I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!